Yeah, yeah. It's a message to my ex now. Yeah. I'm on the floor screaming, baby, you don't care anymore. Tryna get my mind off of doing shit I adore, but I can't cause it's really fucking hard to ignore. I don't know why you keep coming back, asking for more. I know why you keep coming back. I left my key in the door. I never thought I would say this, but I hated you more. We was always swimming, ended up on the shore. You was always playing games, you was always a whore. You made me feel some type of way, every way. Happiness, sadness, yeah, it won't go away. But when I was sad, you were never there. But when you was mad, I would always care. Feeling foolish, relieve me of this bullshit. Pill pop, moon rock, playing games, hopscotch. Liar, hearts on fire. Crying, flying, pills got me dying. You wanted this and that, so I got it. Reloaded my pistol to my head and you shot it. Don't even know when we were happy, I forgot it. But you're always on my mind, baby. Just stop. I'm on the floor screaming, baby, you don't care anymore. Tryna get my mind off of doing shit I adore, but I can't cause it's really fucking hard to ignore. I don't know why you keep coming back, asking for more. I know. When you cheated on that test, yeah, the test was me. Walked out my life so happily. Now I'm on my own with anxiety. Now I'm on my own with no loyalty. I just wanna treat you like you're royalty. Coming back crying to me, yeah, that's irony. Now I finally, yeah. Now I got my mind off it doing shit I adore. Now I can't cause you're so easy to ignore. Cause you never come back to me asking for more. Now you can't come back. I took my key out the door. I always knew I could say this, but I hated you more. I was always drowning, ended up on the shore. Now I'm feeling better, but you were always a whore.